NCERT Solutions. NCERT Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.1, Question 11. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. First problem. The value of tan A is always less than 1. Second problem. Secant A is equal to 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. Third problem. Cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A. Fourth problem. Cot A is the product of cot and A. Fifth problem. Sin theta is equal to 4 by 3 for some angle theta. Now let us answer these questions and justify them. We will check each statement using basic facts of trigonometry and write a clear justification. First problem. The value of tan A is always less than 1. This is a false statement because tan A can be less than 1, equal to 1 or greater than 1 depending on the angle. Example, if angle A is equal to 45 degrees, then tan 45 degrees is equal to 1, which is not less than 1. Also, if angle A is equal to 60 degrees, then tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3, which is approximately 1.732, which is greater than 1. So tan A is not always less than 1. The answer is false. Second problem. Secant A is equal to 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. This statement is true because we know that secant A is equal to 1 by cos A. So secant A is equal to 12 by 5 means cos A is equal to 5 by 12. This is possible because for an acute angle A, cos A can take any value between 0 and 1, and 5 by 12 lies between 0 and 1. Therefore, the given statement secant A is equal to 12 by 5 for some value of angle A is true. Third problem. Cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A. This statement is false. Cos A means cosine of angle A. Therefore, the statement cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A is false. Fourth problem. Cot A is the product of cot and A. This statement is false. Cot A is a single trigonometric ratio called cotangent of angle A. It does not mean cot times A. It is like sin A or tan A function value, not a multiplication. Therefore, the statement cot A is the product of cot and A is false. Fifth problem. Sin theta is equal to 4 by 3 for some angle theta. This statement is false because the value of sin theta for any real range lies between -1 and +1, including -1 and +1. But 4 by 3 is approximately 1.333 and so on, which is greater than 1. So it is not possible for any angle. Therefore, the given statement sin theta is equal to 4 by 3 for some angle theta is false.